Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 3 online tutorial. Our subject for today is Natural Science, and it is taken from Strand 5, Humans and the Environment, Sub-Strand 4, Climate Change. Indicator 1, Human activities that pollute the environment. Human activities that pollute the environment. As humans, there are certain things that we do, and it affects the surroundings in which we live so much. The environment are the things that we see around us. The things that we see around us, including water, even the air that we breathe is part of the environment. The land is part of the environment. Some of our activities affect these things so much. Human activity is causing environmental degradation. What is degradation? Which is destroying the resources such as air, water, and soil. Degradation is destroying the environment. Examples of human activities that destroy the environment are examples of human activities that destroy the environment. We are going to look at few of them. We have one, population growth. Population growth. As the number of people keep on increasing, humans yell for land to build houses to stay in them. Humans also yell for land to farm on them to feed themselves. By so doing, we cut down the trees on the surface of the earth, destroying our natural vegetation. As human increases, we cut down trees to farm, we cut down trees, destroy water bodies to get a place to live. When we do that, we are destroying the environment. 2, we have technology. Nowadays, almost everything that we do involves technology, and it is harming us so much. It is destroying our natural vegetations and our immediate environment. 1, we have air pollution. Air pollution. Factories and industries in our environment releases a lot of smoke into the atmosphere, thereby destroying the air, which we term as air pollution. 2, we have water pollution. Factory waste is being released into rivers, streams, lakes, and even the sea to destroy them. After releasing factory waste into rivers, we can no longer drink it. We've destroyed the river, and that is water pollution. We also have noise pollution. Some factories make a lot of noise. Sometimes we even find it difficult to sleep. Example is the chainsaw machine. It makes a lot of noise. Another human activity that destroys the environment is agriculture. This is mainly due to bad methods of farming. Not just agriculture, it is good to farm to feed yourself and your family and to even sell some of the farm produce. But when you use bad method of farming, it destroys the environment. It destroys the environment. The use of chemicals to kill weeds destroys soil nutrients. When we use chemicals to kill weeds, that is weedicides. When you spray the weeds with chemicals, it kills the soil nutrients. Nutrients that will help crops to grow well, the chemicals destroy them. 2, burning of farmland kills useful animals in the soil. There are other useful animals in the soil like the worm, the centipede, the millipede, the ants. They move through the soil to create space for air to also move through the soil. When we burn the grass or the dry weeds on the surface of the soil, all these living creatures die in the soil. 4, farming also destroys our forest, especially bad methods of farming, shifting cultivation. You farm here this year, next year you leave this land and go to a fresh land, cut down the trees, clear the land for farming again. If you do that, you are destroying the trees. You shouldn't forget, after cutting them, you don't plant them. We end up causing deforestation. And another And the last method that destroys the environment, and it is also a human activity, that is fishing. Not just fishing, we fish to get what we eat, but bad fishing methods, the use of harmful chemicals to fish destroy both the fish eggs and young ones or young fishes. When we use chemicals to fish, some people pour chemicals in the river to kill the fishes in the river so that they will pick them with the net easily. Don't forget, after getting your fish, next time when you come, you don't get any fish again. And you end up killing other creatures in the river, like the crabs, the crocodiles, and other living creatures in the river. So bad fishing methods also destroys the environment. Children, below this tutorial, there are words. Please download them and answer them, and present them at the school premises for marking. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll meet again in our next tutorial. Until then, bye-bye.